Now, indeed, fuel price has risen. In fact, it has hiked again for the 11th day in a row. Petrol and diesel rates are now on an upward spiral, hitting record highs across metros, while they have already crossed the rupees 100 mark in some cities. Now, this comes as the state-run oil marketing companies increase the price of petrol and diesel by 27 to 35 paise per litre. Petrol price in Delhi crossed the 90 rupees per litre mark after a hike of 31 paise. In the national capital, petrol cost now is 90 rupees, 90.19 rupees per litre, while diesel is now priced at 80 rupees, 80.60 rupees per litre after an increase of 33 paise. Now, in Mumbai, diesel and petrol prices are also up by 35 paise and 30 paise respectively. After the hike, diesel is priced at 87.67 per litre and petrol at rupees 96.62 per litre. In other metro cities also, the fuel prices have increased drastically. Petrol has also already breached the 100 mark in several parts of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. In fact, the relentless hike in prices have been criticized heavily by the opposition, as we heard.
बहुत असर पड़ रहा है। अब घर से 100 रुपए मिलते हैं पेट्रोल के, तो हम 100 रुपए का पेट्रोल ही डलवा लेते हैं। 90 रुपए लीटर हो रहा है, बचेगा क्या हमारे पास? अब गरीब पे तो मार पड़ी रही है, अमीर को कोई टेंशन नहीं है। चाहे 1000 का हो जाए, 1 रुपए लीटर वो भरवाएगा, तब भी हमारे ऊपर मार पड़ेगी ना इससे। और हमारे इकोनॉमिक पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा देखा जाए तो बहुत फ़र्क पड़ेगा। लेकिन देखो अब क्या करती है मोदी सरकार। जैसे जैसे वक्त बीतता जा रहा है, हम सोच रहे अच्छा दिन आएगा, अच्छा दिन आएगा, अभी तक तो आया नहीं। देखो कब आएगा।
50 रुपये में हम दो दिन तो भी चलाते थे, तो अब वो एक दिन भी चलना मुश्किल हो गया है। तो 100 रुपये रोज का अगर हम पेट्रोल देखेंगे, 3000 रुपये महीना देंगे, तो हमारे पेमेंट में क्या बचता है? और हम क्या खाएंगे और क्या पेट्रोल डाल के चलेंगे?
गवर्नमेंट के पास इतना पैसा आ रहा, टैक्स हम लोग टैक्स पे कर रहे हैं, वो पैसा पूरा क्या कर रहे हैं? आप इतना रेट्स बढ़ा रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हो? ऊपर से सेल्स टैक्स, ये अपना जीएसटी ऐड कर दे रहे हैं आप, और दूसरा सेस ऐड कर रहे हैं, और दूसरा कुछ ऐड करके इतना बढ़ा दे रहे, तो कॉमन मॅन कैसा जीता?
महाराष्ट्र सरकारमध्ये आम्ही असताना आम्ही टॅक्सेस ऍडजस्ट केले होते, त्याने कुठलंही आर्थिक नुकसान होत नाही। जो अधिकचा फायदा आहे तो फायदाच केवळ त्या ठिकाणी कमी होतो। महाराष्ट्र सरकार जाणीवपूर्वक या ठिकाणी हे करत नाहीये। उलट मागच्या बजेटमध्ये महाराष्ट्र सरकारने त्याच्यावरचे टॅक्सेस वाढवलेले आहेत आणि कॅस्केडिंग इफेक्टने त्यामुळे अधिकचे पैसे महाराष्ट्रातल्या लोकांना द्यावे लागतात।
Let me cut across to our reporters joining us live. Devesh reporting from Mumbai, Hemendra Sharma reporting from Bhopal. Devesh, we just heard the opposition leader speak there, and take us through exactly, translate to us what exactly is the BJP's justification here over fuel price hike. We understand states also have a responsibility, and in Mumbai, Maharashtra, fuel prices have hiked significantly.
Yes, Devendra Fadnavis, who is the opposition leader in Maharashtra, just pointed out that when they were in government, they were running the state government in Maharashtra, they had adjusted a lot of taxes which were levied on citizens of Maharashtra, people staying in Maharashtra. But the present government, which is being run by the Maha Vikas Aghadi, has not adjusted any taxes, and that is why people residing in Maharashtra are paying more taxes. As of now, we see that petrol fuel prices in Maharashtra have gone much more ahead. Like petrol is priced at 96.62 rupees per litre, while diesel prices are at all-time high at 87.67 rupees per litre. Due to the rise which is just brought in, which was brought in today. That is why we've seen around a rupee rise in the prices of petrol and diesel today itself. Also, Nana Patole, who's the Congress MPCC president, recently elected MPCC president, had pointed out that while actors Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar had pointed out during the tenure of UPA that petrol prices and diesel prices are at all-time high, they are not being vocal right now. He also went on to say that they will not allow shootings of actors like Amitabh Bachchan and Akshay Kumar if they are not vocal on the issue of rise in fuel prices, which are subsequently high at this point of time.
Right. Thank you very much, Devesh, for joining us with those details. Let me cut across to Hemendra as well. Hemendra, what's the situation in Bhopal? We understand that fuel prices have crossed the 100 mark.
Well, as far as Madhya Pradesh is concerned, it is one of the states that charges the highest amount of VAT on petrol and diesel. There are 3 places in Madhya Pradesh that have already crossed the 100 rupee per litre mark for petrol. And today in Bhopal, if I can tell you, the rate of petrol is 98.18 paise, whereas diesel is 88.82 paise per litre. So the prices of both diesel and petrol are on the rise for the past 3-4 days. The power petrol, premium petrol, they are selling it at 101 rupees 18 paise. So everything, the petrol and diesel prices are on the continuous rise, and the Congress party, the opposition party, has been making much noise about it, though when they were in government they also increased the VAT on oil. But keeping the announcements that they have made that they are going to protest, the Congress party tomorrow has called for a statewide half-day bandh. So the politics over oil and the prices of petroleum and that of diesel and petrol is very much happening in Madhya Pradesh. The opposition Congress party trying to accuse the BJP and trying to remind them of what they had promised when they were out of power and how they have increased the VAT on oil.
Right. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. We're looking at fuel price hike literally breaching the 100 rupee mark.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.